Take a ride in the 2017 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.